Ahoy, people of YouTubes. It is Saturday afternoon right now. I unfortunately just sold the gold Volvo. A little bit bummed, to be honest. I like that car, but I'm more of a 240 guy. I made a bit of profit. Not a ton of money, but enough. So, yeah, actually the reason, well, one of the major reasons why I let it go was, one reason being I'm a 240 guy, like I said earlier, and two is I gotta make some room for some more stuff, because when working busy, Luke gets bored. Working busy, Luke buys cars. So I am on my way to Indiana right now to go pick up a 242 GT car, and the reason I'm buying this car is it is completely rusted to the ground. It is in terrible condition exterior wise, but it has the sway bars and it has the chassis braces and it has or the firewall braces and a 8-cam and an M46 transmission, like what I got in my wagon right now and what I got in my sedan right now. So my plan is to take all the sway bars off of it and the firewall braces. I'm going to sand them and paint them and stuff like that and put them on the 244. And it also has the, I'm already in 5th gear, I don't know what I'm doing. And it has GT wheels, I believe is what they're called. I don't know. You guys will see when I get in the car. So I'm planning on basically rubbing all those parts off of it. And I got another guy that offered to buy the car for not much less than I'm going to pay for it. So I think it'll end up turning out that I'll basically be getting the car parts that I want off of it for roughly half the price I paid for just the sway bars alone on IPD's website, excluding the wheels, excluding the firewall braces. So I'm pretty stoked. So hitting the road first thing in the morning with my buddy to go grab it home on a dolly. I would like to roadkill rescue this thing and drive it home, but unfortunately I just don't have time. I'm just busy. So anyway, enough yakking. Let's go check the car out. Nah, well, here she is right here. Got an engine, an M46 trans, and then this little girl right here. She fired up surprisingly well, like very surprisingly well. It's got a bunch of stuff over here. I got the key out of the trunk, or for the trunk out of here, so I toss it in there like a real intelligent person would do. Missing the door cards, but it's got the GT rear seat and another seat that's honestly in better shape than my daily driver's seat. In the trunk here, we got a spare donut, some spare springs, which look like overload springs. A rotted out muffler, set of shocks, some floor mats, looks like power steering lines, I think. Spare rack back there. Hopefully none of this falls out. There's a bunch of floor mats back here too. So, pretty stoked. I got a spare tire. Hopefully she'll make her. The dashboard's in really good shape. I think this will fit my 262, so I might just save it for that. In fact, I'm pretty sure it will fit my 262, because I think they're the same. Yeah, not bad at all. Slowly but surely. Super stoked to say that the trip went all smooth as I guess you could expect. Down in Indiana, it had been raining sideways for the better part of a day or two apparently, because there was a shit ton of flooding down there. If I'm any good with video editing skills, I might pop some pictures around in this area right here to show you guys some of the flooding down there. The first stop when we went to check the straps, which was like 2 miles down the road, this whole back section was full of water. Most of it's pretty well drained out. You can see the floor mats are still coated in it, but they were coming through down the weight reduction holes down there. But yeah, pretty stoked. I'm gonna go put these floor mats in my 262 because I think these will work out perfect for it. And then we'll go fire up and take her for a quick drive because she runs way better than it should. Like way better than it should. But yeah. Alrighty. I was informed the front seats are only held in by 2 bolts. I'm gonna try to not drive like too big of a jackass, but I'm also riding on tires like that, so I probably shouldn't be a jackass at all. But, you know, famous words, eventually. So, oh, she actually struggled a little bit that time. It ran really well the other times, since we don't have anything for a blower motor. But, yeah, let's go connect this somewhere and go for a cruise. Yeah, we'll enjoy the fresh sun, might as well. It's a beautiful 50-degree day. Where can I clamp you at? There we go. That looks like a pretty good camera angle for now. Freaking reverse gear grinds. They're not at all in comparison to my other cars. More death bees. Can't we just can't walk? No pest wasp and hornet killer. Number 5. So that's more than killer. Number 5. That's cool. Not bad. Tires are scathed full of the front. They should have sold the catalytic converter off of it. Brakes work okay. Come on, Mr. Guy, turn. Anything but a race car. It's okay. God, I could be going this fast. These tires are terribly shaking. Well, I think that's about all for me for today. I can't get the hood to pop, unfortunately, because I'm dumb. I know there's a bulb inside that stays lit and it kills the battery. And I've got the hood latch pulled and Men's out of the car, and you can kind of hear it click a little bit, but they don't want to give the hood up. So I sent the last owner a message seeing if he can't help me out. Otherwise, I'm screwed. But hopefully I get the hood popping soon, because if I can, I'll get it back on a trickle charger just to make sure the battery stays alive. And then my plan's going to be pull her in the garage sometime this week, get the sway bars and the firewall braces off for that car over there. Maybe run through it, check some other stuff on the inside, and yeah, I don't know what from there. It's probably going to seal the cam, might not, don't really know yet. It's got a lot of really good parts on it. I got a guy who wants to buy it as a roller, but I don't know. We'll see what I want to do with it yet. I'm not 100% positive, so stay tuned for that. It isn't exactly the Tercel rescue video that I've been waiting for, but that will be next week Sunday. 7 days from today, I'll be going out and getting that car. So I got all the parts for it already. Fingers crossed I can get her running and drive her home. Not 100% positive it's going to happen, but I'm going to shoot my best, and hopefully she'll live. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the next one.